be and why? 一个知道一早在好高路这个的，你有要他去天比里家。Go to If you could create one rule in your school, what would it be and why? 一个知道一早在好高路这个的，你有要他去天比里家。
Thank you for your wonderful question. If I can make a rule in my school, I would like to make a rule that people should not be bullied. No kids in school should be bullied, but what they wear, how they look, and how they act. Because bullying is not acceptable. So my rule would be no bullying in school. Thank you so much.